Exercise 21 at the rate of 80 words per minute. Let's start. The ministry has taken care to foster regional languages. For that purpose, it has spent certain amounts, but with that meager amount, they cannot expect to develop all the regional languages which are recognized in our constitution. Then there are certain languages which are not recognized but which are rich. Some amount should be spent for their development also. The Sahitya Academy is a national academy of letters. It has to work for all the Indian languages. In addition, they have to do work in Tibetan and other foreign languages also. But the total allocation for that institution is round about rupees 20 lakhs only. And out of that, 80% or something like that is spent on establishment. Then what remains for the development of the languages or to take up projects for the development of regional languages. Therefore, I would urge upon the minister to take a special note of it if he is really desirous that the regional languages should be developed and give assistance and encouragement to the voluntary organizations and more particularly to the Sahitya Academy staff para. I find from the report of the ministry that the National Book Committee was constituted in 1976 and again in 1980. But since 1980, it has not been constituted and has not been functioning. Then how can we expect that the ministry will deliver the goods so far as national books are concerned? Then also should be taken into consideration and prompt action should be taken. There is a certain formula laid down in the report for the export and import of books. There only the amount has been mentioned. Nothing has been mentioned about the quality or the nature of the book which can be imported or exported. There is no institution or committee to supervise it. It is left to the Commerce Ministry, and the Commerce Ministry does it in a commercial way, but everybody knows that books imported in a commercial way cannot serve the cause of education and enrich knowledge. There are manuscripts lying all over the country. There is a saying in respect of Greek that what has been published in a language is only 1/10 of what exists. So far as Sanskrit and other regional languages are concerned, what has been published is only 1 to 20th of the manuscripts lying all over the country para. So far as education is concerned, we are entering a new phase. Our Prime Minister has declared the new education program which has been accepted by the nation. Stop. Thank you.